Hi Varun, how many states you have?
I know Vijay, we have 28 states.
Do you know its capitals?
Yes, I know.
So tell me, Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Tirunelveli,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Andaman Nicobar Islands,
Sloth Plain, Chandigarh,
Diu
Daman,
Delhi,
New Delhi,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Lakshadweep,
Kavaratti,
Pondicherry,
Pondicherry,
Ladakh,
Lake,